implants. Well, while breast augmentation remains one of the most popular cosmetic procedures out there, more women are choosing to remove their implants for both personal as well as health reasons. In our HealthCast today, we take a look at how some women, though, are opting for a more natural alternative using their own body fat. Shortly after moving to South Florida in 2008, then 18-year-old Liz Lugo decided to enhance her shape with breast implants.
I was a B cup, and I just wanted a little bit more. Of course, peer pressure was, one of the biggest things. And I just thought it was going to help my self-image, honestly.
After switching from saline to silicone in 2018, Liz began having issues with the implants shifting. She decided to remove them altogether, but that also posed potential problems.
One of the fears with removing breast implants is that you can get a subsequent deformity that actually looks worse than what patients had before their breast implants, because as the pocket collapses, the nipple can invert, there can be wavy irregular skin, that type of thing.
That's when plastic surgeon Dr. Joshua Lampert gave her another option, using her own body fat to improve breast shape and reduce the risk of post-explant deformity.
Fat grafting has become way more mainstream over the last 10 years in plastic surgery. We're starting to understand how fat survives better when it's transplanted, which is important. And I think that the technique of using low pressure, keeping things in a closed system, meaning they're not exposed to the ambient air and environment, helps increase the fat survival.
Because the procedure is very involved and time-consuming, it's far more costly than implant surgery, and there's a longer recovery. But Liz feels it was well worth the time and the money.
And I'm really happy with the results. I mean, I feel like they actually look better.
And with the proper technique, experts say about 50% of the fat that is transferred to the breast will survive long term, as long as you, as a patient, maintain a stable weight.